Oh my gosh. Look. The Shane Dawson merch. Gotta go open this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I want to see it. You want to see it? Look at what's that say? Killer merch. Straight from Jeffrey's factory. Oh my gosh. Geeks. Are you geeks with me? Okay. I needed this little lift of excitement. Why is there so much tape? No, I appreciate it. I appreciate the tape so that nothing got messed up. Get in the garbage. Trash. Don't want you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Yeah, it's really pigs. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should not have that on there. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Yeah, that has my address on it. There's the hoodie, you guys. And the pants. Oh my god. 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 I hope that everything fits. Snap. These feel like the thickness and stuff of like Champion sweatpants, y'all. They do. Like the waistband and stuff, this feels like Champion. What? Hold on. Like, hold on. We gotta like get this folded right. See, it's embroidered. It's all freaking embroidered. Like, I cannot. It's embroidered. It's so dark in here too, but whatever. Like, I just wanted to record this real quick. In the back pocket, so you know your girl's always got a phone and stuff. Oh my gosh. I want to wear this right now. Sorry, Carhartt, you gotta go. Garbage. Trash. No one wants you. This is like, the quality of this is insane. Like, how does he even profit on any of this? I don't understand. Like, I feel like it's so worth what I paid. Now this this is printed, not embroidered, of course, because there's way too, like, this would have to be a print, so I knew that. But check it out, you guys. Like, I probably could have went one size smaller, but you know, I always go up and down in weight so much that it would be sad if I gained weight and then couldn't wear it. And I had lost some weight, so it's probably going to flip around and gain some weight soon. So either way, a medium's a stable size. I can kind of wear a medium most of how I fluctuate. So, and plus, I want them to be loose and baggy and comfortable. Like, I think that's hot. Like, I like it. It's comfy. It's me. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So once, I don't know if I'm going to put it on. My boys want me to wear my Halloween costume to go trunk or treating. But like, I want to wear it right now. It has air that Jeffrey and Shane breathe in the factory in it. It's the same air.